Good morning and welcome back to Life in the Clouds. We've got rain, wet snow. All that beautiful snow is so yucky and just wet now. It's gonna be a cold day. We are ready to get on with siding now that we have the front steps built. So we're gonna start putting up all of the trim. We've had it stained for a little while, just sitting here waiting for this project to get finished. So now that it's done, we can get right into it. Yeah, I'm hoping we have enough trim stained that we can get everything done. Greg did measure and add it all together, so it should be good. The only thing we're gonna have to do is blocking behind a light fixture and an outlet, because we have to do kind of a big square around those things as opposed to the 2x6, 2x4 trim that we've got. So as we're getting the trim installed, I'll probably figure out what we need for the square trim and get that ready to go as well.
Goats are screaming.
Who is that?
It's Steve. Something changed, so he's uncomfortable with it.
Steve! Oh my goodness! Why did you lock him in? He wants to come out. Come on, man. Come on. The door's open. Come on.
Dad's out here. Come on.
Come on, little crybaby. Come on. In the snow.
So I know that goes right there. I know that that's going to be proper right there at the top. I better go up there.
There, that looks good.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you want to just pop one in the bottom there. Yep. Okay. I'm going to go up and make sure it's nice and lined up. There's one more.
Nothing. You on?
Yeah. Yeah, keep.
We need clamps.
Clamps.
So we need some clamps to pin those together to get that nice and tight. And we can't find the clamps. They are possibly under the snow somewhere. So until we can get some more, we're gonna just leave that. It's not gonna affect what we do. We've got one more piece to go in the corner, and then we can start going on the windows. We are ready to get going on some siding today. There's a little bit of trim work we have to do in the little alcove, but I just want to get some siding up so we can cover up this insulation, and I'm dying to see the siding and the stairs all kind of finished together. So that wall's ready to go. And then we got to finish the other side wall that we got stopped with before. So we'll get that stuff on the go.
I'm looking forward to seeing this finished because it's been 3 years.
It's actually been 1 year since we started siding. So
Has it been? Oh, sorry. It's been 3 years that we haven't had siding. Yeah.
I had a Facebook or Instagram memory of we were putting up the strapping 1 year ago on that side of the house.
And it was snowing as well. So it's a perfect day for siding.
Yeah. Too long.
Well, that's good. I'd rather start with a full anyway.
Table saw, I guess.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't think we've made a single good cut this morning. It's been mistakes every time. At least we haven't wasted anything. It's all mistakes that we can fix.
Looking at 58 and a quarter. that. Oh, that one's a thickie. Oh,
They're all too big.
maybe.
Do you need more?
I don't know yet. I don't think so. I got 3.
All right, it is way too dark to see what we're doing, so we're gonna have to call it a night. We got pretty far. We're up to the light, to the top of the windows on that side. We're gonna have to do over on the other side of the door starting tomorrow and catch up before we start going across the top. But I think it looks good. I don't know. I can't even see what it looks like.
I guess it looks good.
Tomorrow morning, once there's daylight, we'll have to check it out. But you're gonna have to wait until the next video because we're wrapping it up here. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for being here, and have a Merry Christmas if this next video doesn't catch you on Christmas. This might be the last one before then. Hope everyone has a great holidays, and we'll see you next time.